Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you accidentally removed or disabled the Google Play Store on your Android phone, don't worry, it's actually very easy to get it back. First, all you have to do is just open settings on your phone. Then you want to scroll down and look for apps. From the list of apps, find Google Play Store. Then tap it. If it shows enabled at the bottom, it means that currently Google Play Store is disabled on your phone or it's currently removed. Mine shows disabled because it's currently on my phone. It's currently installed on my phone. But if it shows enabled, just go ahead and tap it. On some phones, the enable option may appear at the bottom of the screen, some at the top of the screen. But once enabled, the Play Store will reappear on your home screen or the app drawer. And basically, that's it. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!